Your first regular expression will be used to catch help requests. Declare a variable called help regex and assign it to a regular expression that matches the string please help. As a refresher, here is a regular expression to match the string hello world. So we had declared a variable called regex with a keyword const and assign it to a regular expression with an a beginning slash with an ending slash, which is a regular expression, and within that would be the string hello world. Now we would do that example, we will do this activity and referencing and while referencing this example. So we declare the keyword const and then the variable name would be the help regex and assign it to the regular expression of the beginning slash and with its ending slash, and within it would be the string hello world. Now please help. Okay, nice.